Water! Go, Melissa, go! Let's do this. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's Caroline and Elena! Fun stuff right here. Oh, look, it's Paris! Hi.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, but I have to go fix it. You're right, Debbie. Duh. I made my mom wash it for me. Ready?
And I got that on video.
Yay!
So let's get Elena to record us.
Okay, wait.
Yay!
I need Paris.
Let's get Paris to record us.
Gay in those pants when they're rolled up. What? What do I
No,
do?
I
recording
reminded
Melissa?
Julie to
Wait,
voice
I have
how
to
gay.
I went
in the
pee.
room
This is
and
the
I
main
should
button.
like take off my. No, seriously, please do it.
Excuse me, you're on this video.
Guess what? Last night was the best night of my life, everybody.
Me too! Demi Lovato.
She's my
July
everything.
13th, 2012. Melissa, what?
This is her. Yesterday was Friday.
Wait, Alma, I zoomed up on your face. That's Demi Lovato.
And then this is my
That's her bracelet. Turn around.
Oh.
That's ready tour date right here.
But
Phoenix. Okay, I'm watching. Wait. Okay, go. Because they're disgusting. No, I walked up and I saw them in my car. I'm like, okay, that's disgusting. I do not approve. No. Elena, OMG right now.
let me take you a little video.
Fly away. I like that song actually. She's such a freak. E-freak.
Do you like my matching outfit?
I really
Dude,
do.
I was about to go so mismatched. You should have told me and I would have.
Ellen, stand.
Just kidding.
OMG.
She wants to go sit on that thing in the water and pee.